Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful fake natural looking hair using Kinky streaks. Hi, I'm Jasmine Royo and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Alright guys, let's dive in. For this hair, I'll be using 2 packs of Kinky streaks. This is my wig cap. I'm going to place it on the mannequin head, and then I'm using my office pin to secure on the mannequin head. This is my eye pencil. I'm going to use it to mark out the places I'll be sewing the hair bundles, because this makes it easier for your work. You know where you are going to be placing the hair bundles. This is optional though. As a pro, you don't need this, but I'm doing this because of beginners. So I'm going to go on like this. I started with doubling the bundles because I want it to be full African hair look. In the middle, I stopped doubling the bundles. I'm going to keep sewing like this till I get to the front. So this part now, I'm going to heap the bundles on each other because I want it to be bulky. So guys, if you are still watching and haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sub to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified, so you won't miss my future uploads. Alright guys, this is how the hair looks like, looking like African hair already. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to trim the excess part, and then I'm going to show you how I stretch this part. It's actually optional. This is not the type I want. It's looking silky. If you want this look, you can go ahead to straighten all the parts, but that's not what I want. I want this full plush African hair look. This place now, I'm going to cut it with my scissors because this is the place I'd already reserved for my hair. I'm going to use my natural hair to cover it to make it look natural. This is my wig comb clip, so I'm going to put this in the middle and 2 in the front. Okay, it's time to weave. So I'm going to cut out the parts I'm using to cover the hair, and then I'm going to weave the rest. This is where the natural look comes in. So guys, I'm not going to show you how I weave everything. I'm just going to show you the beginning and the final look. I'm going to use my crochet pin to hide these parts.
monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rebel's fight without an alibi.
So this back now, I'm going to add up with the ones I'd already weaved, and then I'll weave them together. After that, I'm going to use my crochet pin to hide the long parts. Okay, this is the wig comb clip. It's about 3 of them. I'm going to clip on the hair I'd already weaved. It's so easy and simple. I'm going to loosen this place. I'm going to divide this part of my hair.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me.
So I'm going to apply my wax stick now to blend.
So damn lies to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me
Right now, I'll be using the hair comb, electric hair comb, to blend them together. Right now, can you differentiate between my hair and this ribbon? I'm loving this texture because it's not different from my hair. For this to work with my hair, I got a ribbon that matches with my hair color, which is 1B. So if you are doing this, you can go ahead to purchase one that matches your hair color so it can come out natural. This is my hair wax. You know, baby hair is very important. I'm going to go ahead to lay my baby hair. This is my foundation. Make sure you use the one that matches your complexion and make sure you blend together. Alright, look at this hair. Oh my word, are you seeing it? This is actually my birthday hair. Guys, wish me happy birthday. I didn't spend a dime for my birthday hair and even the makeup. I saved myself some money because I did this by myself. So guys, I used this hair for my birthday photo shoots. And here are some of the pictures I took that day. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle. Do you like it? Do you have any question? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And don't forget to wish me a happy birthday. See you next time. Bye.